Is it possible to make money online without showing your face? Yes, you can do it, but it's not long term because we are humans and we want to connect with you face to face. So it's easier to build a brand showing your face compared to not showing your face. But it's really hard to grow up an account that doesn't show a face. You don't want to relate with robots. It's not long term. Yes, you can run it, but in between, make some content. Create a 30-second video, and with time, so long as you're consistent, you will see yourself becoming better and better every day while you make videos. I got started that way. I was someone who didn't like talking even in class, but right now I'm making content. So just take your camera and shoot some videos.